taking the time to watch my video. Your support means the world.
Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a fulfilling career in one of Scotland's thriving industries? Imagine a future where you're not just punching the clock, but actively contributing to something greater. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the world of factory jobs in Scotland, where opportunities abound and your potential knows no bounds.
Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore new horizons and unleash your potential. Today, we're diving into the realm of opportunities in Scotland, with a special focus on factory jobs that come with visa sponsorship. Now, you might be wondering, why Scotland? Well, Scotland is a land of opportunity, especially for those from EU countries. The Scottish Government has made visa sponsorship readily available for those seeking to work in their factories. This can be a great opportunity to not only secure a job, but also immerse yourself in the vibrant Scottish culture. Moreover, these jobs are not just any jobs. They offer excellent salary packages and a chance to work with some of the top industries in the world. From technology giants to food processing companies, there's an industry for everyone, and no worries about language barriers. English is widely spoken in Scotland, making it easy for you to navigate your new workplace. So, if you're ready to unlock your future and explore these fantastic opportunities in Scotland, start by researching industries that interest you and begin applying for jobs today. Who knows, you might just take a leap into an exciting new chapter of your life.
I would like to say that I'm not an immigration officer. I'm just doing this based on my personal research, so if you're interested in any of the listed jobs, you can speak to your solicitor if you have one, or use the useful links in the description box.
Here are some fascinating insights into the requirements needed to work in Scotland as an international citizen. Visa options. Scotland offers various visa options for international citizens looking to work in the country. The most common visa categories include the Skilled Worker Visa, the Tier 5 Temporary Worker Visa, and the Youth Mobility Scheme Visa, each with its own eligibility criteria and requirements. Skilled Worker Visa. The Skilled Worker Visa is designed for individuals with a job offer from a UK employer in a skilled occupation. To qualify, applicants must meet certain criteria, including having a job offer from a licensed sponsor, meeting the minimum salary threshold, and passing the English language requirement. Tier 5 Temporary Worker Visa. The Tier 5 visa allows individuals to come to the UK for a short-term work assignment or to gain work experience. This visa category includes several subcategories, such as the Youth Mobility Scheme, the International Agreement Visa, and the Government-Authorized Exchange Visa, each catering to specific types of work and circumstances. Youth Mobility Scheme Visa. The Youth Mobility Scheme Visa is available to young people aged 18 to 30 from certain countries, allowing them to live and work in the UK for up to 2 years. This visa is ideal for individuals looking to gain international work experience and explore life in Scotland. Skills and qualifications. Depending on the nature of the job and visa category, international citizens may need to meet certain skills and qualifications requirements. Some occupations may require specific educational credentials, professional certifications, or work experience to be eligible for sponsorship. English language proficiency. Proficiency in the English language is often a requirement for working in Scotland. Applicants may need to demonstrate their English language skills by taking a recognized language test and achieving a minimum score to meet visa requirements. Sponsorship from employers. In many cases, international citizens seeking to work in Scotland will need sponsorship from a UK employer. Employers must be licensed by the UK Home Office to sponsor foreign workers and must meet certain obligations, including conducting a resident labor market test in some cases to demonstrate that no suitable resident workers are available to fill the position. Financial requirements. Applicants may need to demonstrate that they have sufficient funds to support themselves during their stay in Scotland, especially if they are applying for a visa without a job offer or sponsorship. healthcare, and insurance, international citizens working in Scotland may be required to have adequate healthcare coverage and insurance depending on their visa category and length of stay. Access to the UK's National Health Service (NHS) may be available to some visa holders, while others may need to arrange private health insurance.
Legal compliance and responsibilities. It's important for international citizens working in Scotland to understand and comply with all visa conditions, immigration laws, and employment regulations. This includes maintaining legal status, adhering to work restrictions, and fulfilling any reporting or documentation requirements. Understanding these requirements is crucial for international citizens considering working in Scotland, as they help ensure a smooth and successful transition to life and work in the country.
Here's a detailed explanation of some positions available in Scotland for international workers in 2024, along with their job descriptions and convincing reasons why they're appealing. Software Developer Engineer. Job description. As a software developer engineer, you'll be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining software applications and systems. This includes writing code, debugging software, and collaborating with cross-functional teams to deliver high-quality products. Why it's appealing? Scotland's technology sector is booming, with opportunities abound for skilled software developers, engineers. You'll have the chance to work with cutting-edge technologies, innovative companies, and talented teams contributing to the development of groundbreaking solutions and products. Nurse, nursing assistant, job description. Nurses and nursing assistants provide essential healthcare services, including patient care, medication administration, and treatment coordination. They work in hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, and other healthcare settings, ensuring the well-being and comfort of patients. Why it's appealing? Scotland's healthcare sector is renowned for its high standards and commitment to patient care. As a nurse or nursing assistant, you'll have the opportunity to make a meaningful difference in people's lives, working in a supportive environment with ample opportunities for professional development and career advancement. Construction Project Manager. Job description. Construction project managers oversee all aspects of construction projects, from planning and budgeting to execution and completion. They coordinate with architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors to ensure projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the highest quality standards. Why it's appealing? Scotland's construction industry is experiencing significant growth, driven by infrastructure projects, urban development, and renewable energy initiatives. As a construction project manager, you'll be at the forefront of this expansion, leading impactful projects that shape Scotland's future landscape and communities. Hospitality Manager. Job description. Hospitality managers oversee the operations of hotels, restaurants, resorts, and other hospitality establishments. They manage staff, coordinate guest services, and ensure the overall satisfaction of customers. Hospitality managers also handle budgeting, marketing, and business development efforts to drive revenue and profitability. Why it's appealing? Scotland is a popular destination for tourists and travelers, offering stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. As a hospitality manager, you'll have the opportunity to work in world-class establishments, cater to diverse clientele, and create unforgettable experiences for guests, all while enjoying Scotland's hospitality and charm.
Here's detailed information about the criteria for eligibility in Scottish factories for international workers. Legal status and right to work. All workers, including international workers, must have the legal right to work in the UK. This typically requires holding a valid visa or residency permit that allows for employment. Visa categories may vary depending on factors such as the nature of the job, the applicant's qualifications, and the duration of stay, skills, and qualifications. Many Scottish factories require workers to possess specific skills, qualifications, or experience relevant to the job role. This could include technical skills, such as proficiency in operating machinery or equipment, as well as educational qualifications qualifications or certifications related to the industry. Language proficiency. Proficiency in the English language is often a requirement for working in Scottish factories, as it facilitates effective communication and ensures workplace safety. Applicants may need to demonstrate their English language skills through recognized language tests or assessments. Health and safety compliance. Workers in Scottish factories are expected to adhere to health and safety regulations to ensure a safe working environment for themselves and their colleagues. This includes familiarity with safety procedures, compliance with personal protective equipment (PPE) requirements, and awareness of potential hazards in the workplace. Employment contracts and agreements. International workers must have a valid employment contract or agreement with a Scottish factory to legally work in the country. This contract typically outlines the terms and conditions of employment, including job responsibilities, salary, benefits, working hours, and duration of employment. Background checks and references. Some Scottish factories may conduct background checks or request references as part of the hiring process to verify the applicant's qualifications, employment history, and character. This helps ensure the integrity and suitability of candidates for the job role. Compliance with immigration laws and regulations. International workers must comply with all immigration laws and regulations governing their stay and employment in Scotland. This includes adhering to visa conditions, maintaining legal status, and adhering to any reporting or documentation requirements mandated by immigration authorities. Cultural fit and adaptability. Employers may consider factors such as cultural fit and adaptability when assessing the eligibility of international workers. This includes the ability to work effectively in a multicultural environment, adapt to new work practices and customs, and collaborate with colleagues from diverse backgrounds. Training and development opportunities. Scottish factories may provide training and development opportunities for employees to enhance their skills, knowledge, and performance in the workplace. International workers who demonstrate a willingness to learn and grow may be eligible for such programs, contributing to their professional development and career advancement. By meeting these eligibility criteria, international workers can pursue rewarding employment opportunities in Scottish factories, contributing to the growth and success of Scotland's manufacturing sector while enriching their own careers and experiences. 5. Question. What are the working conditions like in Scottish factories? And how is the work culture? Answer. Working conditions in Scottish factories can vary depending on the industry, company, and job role. Generally, factories adhere to health and safety regulations to ensure a safe working environment for employees. As for work culture, Scottish factories often promote teamwork, collaboration, and innovation. Employees may have the opportunity to work in diverse teams, contribute to projects, and participate in continuous improvement initiatives. 6. Question. Is it possible for international workers to bring their families to Scotland while working in a factory? Answer. Yes. International workers may be eligible to bring their families to Scotland while working in a factory. Why? Depending on their visa category and personal circumstances. Certain visa categories, such as the skilled worker visa and tiered intercompany transfer visa, may allow dependents to accompany the primary visa holder to the UK. It's essential to review the specific visa requirement and consult with immigration authorities for guidance on family sponsorship options. These commonly asked questions and answers provide valuable insights into the process and considerations for international workers seeking employment in Scottish factories, helping to address common concerns and clarify key aspects of the working experience.